yɛde yɛ adwuma no akwasoro twɛdeɛ mpa Onyankopɔn adaroma adeɛ chi adeɛ sabia no ahoɔden no a yɛde yɛ adwuma no ɛkɔsoro na sɛ Nyame adom yɛte saa akonnwa kɛseɛ yi so yi ɔmaga na ɛbɛyɛ ye ɛbɛfa ne ntoma pɛfra zamtrafo a wɔka na ha yɛ wɔn ahodoɔ mmienu yɛwɔ wɔn a wɔde ɔman ne ho dɔ ɛna ɛyɛ adwuma ɛne yɛwɔ wɔn a wɔde wɔn yɛfono ɛnso so ɛyɛ adwuma na da bia Fabɛwɔso mbɛhyɛ ase a saa kooti mɛkan the sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana. The sovereignty of our dear nation resides in we the people, not any politician. Let's get it straight. It is we are politician. We are manyoni. We are public servant. Na yamawa kwanya edi dwumadi ye hya wonsa. Se hwena sa dwuman enkwaso. Na bribi ba wo so se ofi abaifo. Sanso so wa madu fidipo. Na sika manager afa nkwanta. Nyame hu mabo awo mensano. Yendi atem. I've made that solemn oath. Yen mejina fidie so endi do bi atem. But senior report ni sia no sa pepepe ene ebeka no. Mama achiama akwaba. Mema achiama akwaba na pay roads minister. Honorable Kwesi Akwata michiawo. CEO Ghana Highways Authority. Ora NSK ata michiawo. And now bebua me. Wa wo hwe me, wa wo tie me. Ya be yan konta bi. Na ansa na no. Ya share Auditor General report yi a wode abetodwa. East Legon Sprintex Road underpass. Niedi kan no. Oil and gas enclave our western region near Tosumi no. And Eastern Corridor Road lot 5 and 6. Eastern Corridor Roads lot 5 and 6. Ejuma Ghana Highways Authority one more je. Auditor General report yi echre eba hundewru. Na so man kwambi so yabaka na the figures be betudwa. Before that, me be see share the functions of the GHA, Ghana Highways Authority. Wama juma pa ni sign. Ghana Highways Authority, wama juma pa ni sign, and it's here. Report to not to Nebuasi, Auditor General, wama ya juma, achirem. The functions of the GHA are spelled out in the GHA Act relevant to the focus of the audit are functions in here. 1. Plan. 2. Develop. 3. Maintain. 4. Protect. And administer trunk roads and related road networks. Classify and lay down design standards on the different classes of trunk roads. Undertake research or collaborate with any research organization with a view of facilitating the authority's planning, development, and maintenance activities. Maintain and preserve such records relating to its functions as it considers expedient. Maintain and update a list of designated trunk roads. Ghana Highways Authority, Omajumano. What should data esanka wo me de gu akwan so e de kire se sa akwan miensan ya auditor general kwaye ho anhwehwemu yi ehun data ni by way of feasibility ni ensa kan ye ni nyina no mabon kan ye deda se na bibia ni ho bibia sa ni ho. Now in this report and then yamadru suoni table 2 our auditor general's report yimu na sa table any na masre sa yade figures ni nyina wo hwe TV a yade figure na beto ho esan se ye be nkonta bi subtraction budgeted and releases of funds for road works from 2015 to 2018. 18 wo hwe table no a ye wo year your total planned budget, your approved budget, and your disbursed. 2013 and the decline on the table. And the total planned budget in Ghana cedis. 2013 and the total planned budget. No data available. Sika ye chato ho say ye de ba be akwan ho adwuma no 2013 according to the auditor general's report there is no data available. Data be any ho, no data available. Now approved budget sika ye approve say sika we and na ye de kwa akwan ahodo 2013 tienio me pa chaw pa approved funds aye 165,617,270 165,617,270 approved no yansha sika ye disburse anka ya approve 165 million in Chesika ya disburse 531 million 636,660. Do you get it? Say you approve 165 million now. A sit down you disburse 531 million. Asembisano no. Say you approve 165 million now. A sit down and you disburse 531 million. And just say, Yankoyanim 2014 total planned budget for 2014 na 2,087,381,700. That and only total planned budget.
Jim FM.
And I approve 747,030,416. And to the advance, I approve by 747 million. Sikaya disburse 2014. Kayo 747 million. Sikaya disburse aya 1,223,681,240. Tio Sikaya disburse ya no. Hwe difference no. Me wie na fa ya hwe difference ni nyina mako. Ma calculate ni nyina wa ha. 2015 total planned budget 3,698,297,630. This was the total planned budget. And I approve 931,657,411 approved budget 931. Disbursed budget in ETA 1,664,204,323. Sika ya approve ani sika ya disburse ye wieni ahwe differences e wum nyina. 2016 approve 5,279,909,020 and approved no 624,197 197. Ya approve 624 million. Sika ya disburse aye 3 billion and 84 million and 15,085. (2017) total planned budget aye 6 billion 750 million 928,630. Tie. And I approve 1,581,222,972. That's what he approved. By 1 billion. This basi sika ekoi. Aya 1,731,911,704. I say my share balance no. The difference. In 2013, say I approve 165 million. Now this basi 531 million. Sika efa ho. Afa na me bedi nchiremu. Balance won finfin aye 366 million and 19,390. Sano na men kan say aye ka ya boy yo. Sanso so sika ne fa hin. Ya bedi nchiremu. Eka sika difference by 2013 no. 2014 so difference by between 747 and 1223 no difference by 476 million 650,824. 2014 so sika efa ho no. $2015 and so there 732 million 846 million 912. I mean, Tiesikano Yabodino. Tiesikano Yabodino. 2016. The balance difference. $2016 approved funds 624 million. Disbursed over 3 billion. Now check the difference out. Sika efa 2,459,390,888. Na samekeka balance ni nyina bom differences ni nyina bomwa. Approved budget between 2013 and 2017. Approved budget between 2013 and 2017. 4 billion and 50 million 152,266. Disbursed between 2013 and 2017. And 4 billion ka abro swadi and can come 5 billion be. Check this out. 8 billion 235 million 749,012. And yet, you subtract balance difference in your free moi. A car yabo sika afa between 2013 and 2017. Taxpayers' money, menu mianu yesika. Aye 4,185,597. 4,185,596,746. Matumi boasepa. And my crop figures in him from 2013 to 2017. Now, my main inchemu as I'm maintaining maybe I say, my main inchemu. Ora Michael Opoku, a principal auditor, audit service. Mike Akwaba.
Yeah.
So, who are there? Now, reporting, Munamuya Huanjuma. And the figures, it's mind blowing. Differences, just say, me, explain to us. Says balance, if we Mike.
Yeah, you. But so, you who say from 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, then your what church as you who say total planned budget, now. But approved ones are buying say oh sika yet be more highways no. Then we share the almost spend and answer the almost use work akwan ho a. E do so say the approve yen. Enti no. Ye share you who say yeah approve e be 2016 ye approve 2013 say you approve 165 no. That's a onya 100 na 65 2014 no. Yeah, approve 500. No, for time you went to me end you 2013. No, the account. It's the no accounting for that increment.
Meba Michael. Minimum telephone to Tobo na chile mubiu. Kanya a fast wa. Yeah, this you approve 1 billion na according 3 billion. You approve 624 million na according over 3 billion. Tobo na chile muye mai. Mike.
See, so you have 2014 year and part 1. Until 2014, no, you approved 7,407,700.
No, 2014, you approved 747 million and 30,416. And I had this say 1,223,681 1,223,681,240. Chiremain.
Okay. Into no sano. Na sika omo approve no. Na omo tumi di adwuma no. Se ha wo hwe yakwan na te se de ne ye chechire mu ada no no. Edu tem bia de omo approve no. Omo ye adwuma na se chena variations ni ade be mu a. Eso omo ko pesika o beebi a yen planning ne de ka ho. Ne de ye adwuma no. It's when we be na account for that increment ya ye hunu kakran. And you know, it's just on delayed payments ni aden so na e say omo ko pesika. Nti e no nya approved budget. Na so e say obey dey say ko pesika o beebi a ye benya be sika o ye de be ka ho. Na ye di tuaka.
But masem bisa ne say some variations ya wo kan wasemi. Esi dey na ba ne sa because if there's a plan wo why dey adwuma. How do we come by some variations here? Can answer me, Mike?
That's it. And the variations here, I can answer me. And when you say who start the project now, plan who use and yet your friend say detail that. And no, and the master annual maybe. Say who say who yaka quine 200 kilometers. Now. Unim the other best system was the traffic light 10 maybe street light 5 na o yana no say there be a high street light 5 year me say me be share me do baby am say sumo ho because one year detailed study need to know na say we increase street light to 10 and on enka who approve budget
enka ho
nti ya sa na untumi nja we nti wo sa aban na akope sika o baby na ni so odi be hyem edu baby so a na untria contractor kantam nti no wo gi we interest na wo gi we interest and so ma variations yi by ma increase in a contract sum no so ba nti no example ba ko ni say eastern corridor so mo sha aban ka say obeye ekwan no na total this length ekwan na 209 kilometers then so ye wie ye no na contractor ni say 168 kilometers no betimi aye adenti say ohun say design or the start ejuma no na enye detailed na so almost start so mo ye ejuma na omo hu die ewo actual eyi ewo form no na say sisi akwan no instead of say you be kwa kope sika fofra be na say eti kwan no so na e di hye sika ni
na say preliminary design na contractor na fiase de ye ejuma until by the time the main design na beba no na ejuma no wa ye duru ba bi atiansa na obetwa ha kakra na wabubu ha gum na wa ye ha se kakra sana de ne
yes bibisa until so hwe oil and gas enclave no so na say nko mo ye feasibility study ehun say neti e wo form say neti ebi ho na loamy soil ebi ho na nsuo wo ho clay soil ni ade so na we no omanya o mo start ejuma nti edu bebi no na so mu two form pa na because na ho ye swampy na sa nyomo is wu tu a wi ai say wo de embo so efele nti ni nyina be kan wa eka tiri nyama contract sam na ekosro saa nti no le nyina na explaining why omo budget amount bia na ya approve because aban so woni sika no approve kakra na so disbursement no ya more than the aban approve ni nyina ka ho
and Mike for me as an ordinary taxpayer for obia ye ka say wasupia water ejina kwan chen a woton yatete ne tonga krakra ekika sa sika nyina de boa no what does these excesses wo hwe me ya me total ha no between 2013 to 2017 this best no approved here over 4 billion this best here over 8 billion difference no 4 billion 185 million 596,746 for the ordinary taxpayer. Some say what does it mean, Mike?
Poor planning. Planning you see can you na higu kwa. So you see can higu. If you say but one say you say eduma ya mu ye pa na obi ehu Ghana fo nyina ehu say ni sika no eko. Because ye bibi e se atuebo enye se digidi ni ede ye se digidi ya wenum ensusu aso a eba no eneni wo hwe sika ya wabo ya more than 100% of approved budget for roads.
I tell you
planning no ehu hia yenso so edu bebi ani e gi se planning ni ye ntina ye start agidi ye so 9 years so hene ani ye ko so yenso so esa wo start ya wa hwe ni ti wa hwe ni kon wa hwe ni yefun wa hwe ni nan na wo wi a wo so okay say ni betunya ya na yentimi ye so a adenti ni yentimi ye e bia na sika na twa ti ye ntwa ni empe bi nka ho yenya so wo start ya na wo ko sa na edu fifi na wo ka esa na sisi a sika ya yi wa he say project bi esa aban ye no okoni da ko dia ba ye kwan wa ti ase enti bi a hospital bi esi wo bebi ni yensi
Ezio. Now sika bubruja ya asiagu ya. You be see the SSI hospital no. Akwan foforo say ye. Michael, you be see there akwan foforo.
Eno ni atam no because we kwan say do we ye 8 billion ya. Senka for no you betumi say there ya kwan bi mu. Eso ye dey ama contractors some mo because interest wo ho. E bi bebre interest if you so ya you sika akosoro ye dollar akosoro ni nyina we mu nyina bi so ka because you plan ye nti no ni nyina agua wo hwe road project nso a sika kese pa na ji o kuruma
Michael say ya penchiremu sesi a mo de ma adwuma yiye audit service for my adwuma no awie and no na sia ye gina so yi but say ye pe wo bi ma na be yinsem bi ano efa figures bi say ho a I know there are stakeholders. There's the ministry and then there's the Ghana Highways Authority.
Yes.
Why not be in right position to answer these questions? Very, very critical questions. Michael.
But the ministry, you know, be the right person to answer these questions.
Jim FM.
I try.
And why not Ghana Highways Authority? Michael.
Yes. Almost implemented. Then so ministry, BBA, the ministry, also. Into no BBA, any almost approval of ministry of roads and highways. Into no, say BBA, say ministry, no be answer because someone or mom go ahead say yes I did.
Michael, Mame na wasini fancy ha.
Back to you.
Mame na wasini fancy ha. Michael Opoku your principal auditor with the audit service. And I'm in no atwetwe and komono. Yebeka ya na otu etwa mu. Ukwada no. Ebra mi gusu a me ye dwuma yi a. And Honorable Inusa Fuseni, or a former roads minister, was sending a message. Na MSM Hono na kasami jenti peso a kind message no me catch and so for the message in family. But the bit of the part of the message a fa report you ho. Mekai na fe mi wi microphone so. I say lots 5 and 6 was put on the Brazilian facility. It starts from Oti, Damanko to Nampanduri. 70% of works on the project was completed at the time we were leaving office. Honorable Fuseni Neka saying. The NPP government came to Parliament for a loan to complete the 30% of the outstanding works on the explanation that the Brazilian government is reluctant to release the remaining funds. Honorable Inusa Fuseni, a former roads minister. Honorable, good morning. Hello, Honorable.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Listen well.
This is CJ.
CJ.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Very well, sir.
Good.
Very
God
well,
bless.
sir.
God bless.
Very well, sir. Now, for the purposes of this discussion, my handkerchief.
Okay. Mate.
Esa nkomo twetwen ti kyerɛn abreben na woyɛ roads minister between year ben ni year ben honorable.
Oh, because roads ministry no in July 2014.
Jim FM.
Number 3 hall on the 6th of January 2017.
Okay. Aya kwan miensa na auditor general aye ho adwuma. Nyedi kan East Legon Sprintex Road underpass. And afei oil and gas enclave in the western region. And lot 5 and 6 of the eastern corridor roads. Abra wo office. Then na onim fasa contract yi ho. These 3 major routes. Honorable Fuseni.
Oh, contract no nyina ewo history. Mamin dikai anka
Jim FM.
the Sprintex underpass yi. Sprintex underpass yi na min ka na sem if I don't recognize the contribution of the late Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Mr. Atta. Like I say, in a cabinet meeting, now the Vice President, after the cabinet meeting and before young closing prayer, that is when we went into other matters. Now, Okanche me in the meeting said, can I explore the possibility of expanding the underpass? so that it can contain 2 vehicles. Because one vehicle traffic bebre. So we meet in the office na friend Ghana Highway Authority for say these are the orders marching. I interpret them to mean marching orders because now Obiana cabinet meeting. Now Vice President Emma how do we design this underpass? Normally, how we can fund it and ensure that yet mean BAs are connected into 2. Into your fair contractors, you see now you see a womb, Sonotra, a womb, and some other contractors say, designing what they can do. Designing, all of them said that you might chop coin, and I didn't want a coin, yencha to be able to construct the interchange. I wanted them to go through because now sometimes you are nothing that in Europe. I would say most roads in Abubo and bridges they don't cut the road. They just bore through until we bore through. Indeed, there are no what technology to bore through. A rollida, the Sonitra. The regulator say, okay, over conducting investigations onto the road and whether or not it will be feasible to bore through. Until Owumsa no ba Ghana Highway Authority over country almost say, yes, to me bore through because clearance a bridge over war and the topsoil containing the topsoil plus the concrete and the clearance or see clearance no doors. Until say who boy to a road never collapse. So clearance no doors. So who boy through say how the insects behave, they bore through. So who boy through because clearance no doors no road never collapse. So it will be the same problem.
Next time it was here. Yeah, boto croasia, quite no was not your boto croasia to make way at a quite one tracia, and Tissa say, yes, a quite bit me a boogum, me yapitania. Okay. Yamma or Muncha. We discuss any contract sum and so on what technology. So engaging Ghana Highways for engaging to do a dual carriage from the road, the beginning of the road, maybe at traffic light, up to the end, they were adjoining at the East Legon Road, and yet dual carriage. The dual carriage, and far bridge in our state. And so, the cost, and we all agreed on the cost and everything. And so it was left with contacting him and procuring the jobs. A whole Namibia free goes and highways. But an me problem pa. The difference between approved funds and disbursed funds between 2013 and 2017. Honorable.
2013 yeah, started
2013 almost started, but on Eastern Corridor Road.
No, we can't about the
Sprinters Road underpass. Okay,
but Eastern Corridor Road,
Lot 5 and 6.
Lot 5 and 6, not on the bridge. No, also.
Okay.
On the bridge, a Brazilian company.
Okay.
No Brazilian loan, Brazilian loan, no so. Juma, a contractor, no Juma. The Minister of Roads and Highways, no more assess a certificate there or issue here. Then approve the certificate and forward certificate to the Minister of Finance. The Minister of Finance, so jitum say contractor no ejuma there o aye no say omontua. Then they will instruct the bank, the Brazilian bank, to release that amount. Emma contractor for the payment of the work done. The Ghana government, so now was, I think 15% contribution, Ghana government contribution. The Tambi, the young contribution no extra, but the contribution no na a check. But meaning say in one or two of those payments, young contribution no na extra.
Honorable, my problem, difference due to arrears from previous years are yet. And here on my document, I have over 4 billion Ghana cedis. Arrears between approved budget and disbursed. Yes. Honorable, and also, is it not too much?
How does it come?
The
contractor no Juma. Within 91 days, say Yentia.
Jim FM.
So one tia Chicanoa. I think 190 days or 180 days. 191 days or 180 days. But after a certain period of time in the contract, so one tia Chicanoa. Interest on the payment will accrue. I would make a period on the moratorium. Interest in the whole moratorium, the area, it's meant to. But we would withdraw. But within that period, interest in the whole. So, but we try after the period, what your interest. So, the what default, the antiman, now, contract at the whole after the period are liable for payment with that interest at your one, then you pay interest.
But honorable,
okay,
me too.
Okay, between 2014 and 2016 up to now, the Brazilian government, HNG Lula, every home, now the next incoming government, okay, say both Odebrecht and most Brazilian companies were under investigation. Okay.
Yeah.
Every Saturday, the bank in Brazil, under Brazilian directives, Brazilian government directives, not a release the car for the payment of the contractor. That accounts, one, for the delay in the completion of the work, and two, for the arrears for non-payment. Because that bank a release because the company was under investigation. And then the loan facility they are buying and the present mill to complete to do the thief loss. About 30% of the canoe, the Brazilian bank will say unreleased. So government under Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, through his finance minister, asked by Parliament to take a facility, I think from SSB, to be able to complete the road.
But honorable Asembisana Kami Bisa for the ordinary Ghanaian.
Okay.
And he said, quine. So yakwaji loan. Sikano aba, yakate sword, a quino ashasie. And so bekomegosana na ya delay payment. Sa delay no aye free hin. Emente kowie arrears, huge sums of billions of Ghana cedis of arrears year.
Oh, in the case of thief and thief loss, Madi can't say that Brazil and Qatar was going through some political turmoil. Or the Brecht which was doing not that time for Ghana. They said that we had gone NDC had gone to bring in a contract that was facing a contractor who was facing corruption charges in Brazil. Okay. And they were all over the place. Even this company that was doing the Kwame Nkrumah interchange, nobody yet will because the company was facing investigation in Brazil. So if Uji Lona, Sikano Bankono, and transfer it Sikano and Babugano. Said the Yako G load, say the thief and thief loss of the victim corridor. Brazilian bank no and transfer sika no ambabu Ghana. It means that the Brazilian bank no has undertaken to pay for the construction of Lot 5 and 6. It is a contractor no, in this case, to pay for 85% of the cost of construction. So the contractor no, juma, only certificate after validation, ever called Minister of Finance. The Minister of Finance, Alma a bank no atia say contractor no aye a juma and juma no ya inspecting AG2. It release the X amount of money in satisfaction of the request for payment. That bank no are effective that transfer no egu contractor no the account. But every say in Brazil between 2014 and 2016, ever since the video country in Brazil, companies at the, who operated at the Lula and other companies were subjected to corruption investigations in Brazil. And those companies, government succeeded government at the Lula, see, but banks and companies because they were under investigation. The company Aye Juma Wagana, Aye Juma on the understanding say a bank way ever be cut. Ada abayi betua be cut. Abayi so akwaji busia say sa busia no de betua e kado. The busia so a loan busia, a loan no oji. The bank there ukwaji busia the free obu hodo. Obu government see more of disburse funds. So naturally, contractors so ordinary ankasa de sika o. E demando authority on credit or the understanding say abandon to your or also about to the creditor. If the contractor or contam the ankasa de sika any year you want to end up abandon to your not they are called replacing. No. Or also or the understanding say be year you are abandon to your car. It's also or credit the fuel, or credit the sand, or credit the cement, and all those things, apart from recurrent expenditure. Even recurrent expenditure, that is the auditor, the workers, or Busia, or bank, editor or move. On the understanding fair.
Sesikane ba. Na
so Sikano ba. Some bank the Oji Busia no. Contractor the G Busiano, all my charge interest. Sir, companies here auto never free hobo, all my charge interest.
Okay.
It also stands to reason say, abandon and the car, also over charge abandon interest. So,
Honorable Enes Afiseni,
yes,
and Breninti, my fancy hand, Yamia Duma, Ukwada, Wadaruma, Messanso Hiau. Na afei yatwetwe nkomo because it's quite a huge reporter. Me hiao na afei yaje nchemu ewo ho bana ne pede enfenti ya.
No problem, TJ. Tabia we hear me. Tabia send me what daje baba. I can even come to the studio and be brought for enemy tree after I explain.
Ye be hia pa me dase pi enfenti ya na pay me dase. Honorable Enes Afiseni, former Roads and Highways Minister, na pay ne no atwetwe nkomo no. Enti me enfenti ya ne na ukuada nyame adom a nya betie kura de a chen ne de ye fasida no emma awake me round water na fei ye da sida ma DBS roofing sheet and a Franco Trading Enterprise nyame